I recently learned how to cook a new recipe, and it turned out delicious.
Do you have any practical skills that you'd like to learn in the future?
I've been trying to improve my gardening skills, and my plants are fine.
Do you think it's essential for everyone to have at least one practical skill? I wish I knew how to do basic carpentry. It would save me a lot of money on repairs. My friend is teaching me how to knit, and it's such a relaxing and practical hobby.
Having good communication skills is a practical skill that can benefit you in many aspects of life.
Learning how to budget and manage finances is an essential practical skill. Knowing how to start a fire without matches is a useful skill for camping trips.
I've been taking self-defense classes to learn how to protect myself in dangerous situations. One of the most practical skills I have is troubleshooting computer issues. Learning how to sew has been so helpful. I can now mend my clothes instead of throwing them away. Do you think practical skills are undervalued in today's technology-driven world? I'm thinking of taking up a woodworking course to create my own furniture.
Growing my own herbs and vegetables has become one of my favorite practical hobbies.